My mother cannot eat spicy foods. She is the so-called aromaphobe. My, she's not even a baby. I am a baby. I am not an aromaphobe. Mild ramen made with Atomy potatoes. For people like my mother, Atomy made mild ramen. We took out spicy red pepper powder, simmered it with beef broth, so it's very mild and profound. Wow, this is really thick and refreshing. This would be okay for Mom, right? The noodles are chewier as they're made with potatoes, and the texture is better since they are thin.
Yum! So delicious!
My mother loves ramen. She especially loves having ramen at night. She loves adding rice to ramen. And the next day, she weighs herself. And she weighs about 10 times. But if it is made like this, would it really make her belly stick out? I should eat more, so that she doesn't weigh so much. That's not because I love having it. Mild, refreshing, and chewy noodles. It is best even for children. Mild ramen made with Atomy potatoes.